Good morning, guys. It's Friday. It's Friday today. I'm cooking garlic rice. Yes. I don't have any bread today, so I'm cooking garlic rice. Yum. And then ito, leftover kagabi. So, lutuin ko yung corned beef. Then may hotdog din ako. Lutuin ko muna. Okay? Hotdog naman. Yum. Yummy hotdog. Yummy hotdog. Tender juicy. O, diba? Nakakuha kami ng tender juicy. Yeah.
No, it's on
Hmm? Oops, sorry.
Doesn't want me to eat your food because it's hot dog.
Ayan ang aking almusal. Hotdog, corned beef, tsaka sinangag. Yum. Kukuha muna ako ng ano. Kuha tayo ng inumin. Tapos manonood ako ng soap opera. Ito yung dalawa. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Say hello.
We're going to help you. We're going to help town.
Later. Later. Magagala.
I'm gonna
Okay,
do
bye.
another video.
Ngayon, lunch naman ang aking niloloto. Oh. Have you guys tried this air fryer? Oh, diba? Hindi ko na kailangan mag-ano. Sana hindi siya naluluto masyado.
Hi
Mamaya na
guys.
overcook.
Hi guys.
Okay. Finish your food, baby. Nag-hotdog siya kami ni Kuya Baboy. Pork. I'm gonna eat pork. Okay, looks. Sarap-sarap ng lunch namin. Kain po tayo. Hello po uli. Hello, Chachi.
Hi.
Punta kami sa city. Hi, Kuya. Kuya, saan ka na? Dito kami magpapalinis muna ng sasakyan.
Mama.
At,
Mama, look.
ngek. Oh, dami nagpapalinis. Okay lang, maano lang naman, madali lang naman, di ba?
Curry or Skittles? Skittles or flies? Bubbles! Bubbles!
Kami na next.
Wow, bubbles!
Kami na.
Hi guys!
Kami na. Hi,
Hi
guys.
guys! Hi guys! Hi guys! Bubbles!
Ayan na kayo.
Bubbles! I'm looking pink.
Ay, matatakpan pala tayo.
Bubbles!
Natakpan na tayo. Natakpan na kami. Ah, Chachi!
I got white.
Papakulay ako sa juice.
Wait.
Para, ano, maganda-ganda na ba yung buhok ko. Ito, yung dalawa. Ang ingay.
Wow, that's so cool. Wow.
Nandito na kami finally sa kakainan namin. Bagong discovery na naman ito na restaurant. Wow, hold on guys. Hindi ako makababa. Ang ganda rito. Parang see? Bagong discovery na naman. Come on, kuya. Oo, diba? Ang sarap maglakad lang ngayon, ah. So, parang kala mo naman, nakalakad ako na maayos. Hi! Tuntua siya. Karga-karga mo kasi. Sige. Natuwa siya. Karga-karga mo. Big girl na bebe ko. Saan may mal? Wow. Little market. Oh. Oh, dito? Saan? Dito?
Hindi.
Hindi. Wrong one. We're looking for...
Yeah.
Around the corner across the patio, there's a door on the other side of the patio.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oops. Wrong.
Hey, look.
Wow.
Wow.
Ito. One more to go.
Oh. Oh, ayos to ah. Oh, dito ba entrance? Hindi naman to entrance eh. Kodong. Aray ko. Talang. Na makahak pa.
Can we eat out here?
Wala pa rin talaga akong lakas. Bakit ganun, mahal?
Hold on.
Pero hindi ko pa rin kaya. No, kuya, it's still hot here. Pagtagal. Oh, go!
Kaya
Where you going?
mahulog ka ha.
Ang galing.
That's it.
Baby! Ito dito. Ito yung kanilang menu. It's Gun. Huh? Gun Izakaya. Mamaya gusto. Guys, nakalimutan ko picturean yung pagkain namin sa gutom, sa excitement. Kaya, ito na lang. Chicken skin. Ito na lang natin. Nandun may meatballs to pala. Meatballs. Tsaka chicken wings. Yun lang naman yung order namin eh. Para lang naman siyang ano yun. Tsaka ayan, chicken wings. Nakalimutan ko kaninang video. Ano? Kain ka na?
It's late.
Nag-fog. Sarap ng panahon, hindi mainit. Nakakapaglakad lang ako ng maayos eh. Foggy pa rin, ano ba yan? Ayos yung mga ano, no? Dami rin siguro restaurant dito. Bago na naman naming ano, findings. Picasso. Ano kaya yan? Mexican? Mexican food? Ay, Mexican restaurant.
Oh, come on.
A shoe boutique.
Oh, come here.
Thank you, Thank you. Tingnan mo yung shoes nila. Makain na naman ako.
No, she doesn't want it.
You don't want it, baby girl?
Kain na naman ako.
Huh?
Bumili kami ng Baskin Robbins.
No.
Baskin Robbins na.
Airway
she doing?
travel?
Dunkin Donut,
There's
bavarian.
a YouTube airway travel. Definitely.
Ito, gagawin hindi nakakain na to.
Chachi? Chachi?
Sarap ng weather sa
Here's the
labas.
chocolate. The frozen chocolate.
Andali. Ang kalat.
Chachi, you want rice or french fries?
You want french fries or rice? Ano daw, kuya?
She said she wants french fries.
You want french fries and chicken?
I do too.
Ano tayo sa golden chick?
Okay, we'll go to
I have.
Golden Chick.
Remember, kuya, your favorite chicken?
Yeah.
You want
Yeah,
us to buy some and then so you can have some snack for later?
Yeah. I got an idea when I get the french
What?
It's what you always do when you have French fries.
It's good. Naku, yari yung tiyan ko na naman ito mamaya.
Baby girl, okay?
It's good.
What's wrong? You want me to close your window? You leave it open? You gonna eat?
We're getting some chicken empanada. We're trying it.
We got some French
Oh,
fries.
let me get
Yeah.
May golden chick sila rin. Nag-stop kami. Si Chachi kasi kanina sa restaurant hindi kumain.
Trio.
Ayaw niya yung chicken doon.
Will you try?
Can I get the empanada trio?
Okay, you have one side. You have one side.
Let me get the yuca fries.
Kumiki na?
Tikmo namin kung masarap yung chicken empanada.
Very nice and good.
Marunong din naman ako gumawa ng empanada eh. Nagawa ako. Ha? Parang hindi ko siya maintindihan.
Parang masarap yung chicken nila.
Na empanada?
Hindi, yung chicken.
Ah, kasi merong flavor. May flavor kasi.
Here you go.
Polyoka.
Hi.
Bilo mo siya, kuya? Bilo mo yung french fries? Okay, good job.
Mama,
Yeah.
throw this in there.
Okay, let me give it to me. Let me see. Hey, let me see.
Look, guys.
See. What is it? Whoa.
Those are big.
Those are big. Dito kami sa Hyatt. Nag-check-in. Ay! The shoes there, oh. Huwag na ilagay sa gitna.
How am I supposed to get
On the side. Ito na kami sa hotel. Kami sa Hyatt. Oh. Twin bed.
Let's go get me down to bed.
Wah! Ayos din dito, ah.
Oh, wait.
May isang bed.
Can I see? Whoa. Can I see?
Ooh, nice.
May sofa pa.
Woohoo! I need to go charge my iPad.
Sabi na yung pagkain, oh. Mga midnight snack namin.
Time to eat again.
Time to eat again. Cool.
Ha? I charge mo na yung iPad mo. Where is it?
I don't know.
May baso pa na ano, oh. Yeah, ay.
They're jumping on the bed. Can we get the charger?
Mahulog ka, bebe.
You know where the plug is?
Kain uli kami, kain uli.
Right there.
Kain uli tayo.
Okay. Do it. Jumping on the bed. Come on, sing.
Nakikita niya pala yung sarili niya, kaya pala tuwan-tuwa eh. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Now you take my socks off.
Hey, huwag ikalat ha. Ilagay dun sa sapatos. Ah, sige na. Kakain uli. Kain uli tayo.
Mama, guys, we ate. Oh, look.
We're eating again. Chicken. Golden chick. Wala na kami kabusugan. Mamaya, nasa banyo na ako lagi. Ina
Hi,
naman.
guys. Hi, guys.
Lakas ang boses. Mas malakas pa boses siya kasi
No.
ay, walang sisigaw.
Let go me. Let go me.
Ang balon na naman anak ko.
Go me.
Nakakamang ginawa ko, hindi kumain.
Wow.
Oh, dance pala. Hotel. Hotel.
0% APR for 72 months on select 2019 models. And
Ang ganda naman ng mga yan.
But come here. I'm sure there's something in the closet. Look.
Kain muna tayo. Kain ulit. Good night na, guys.
Good
Bukas
night,
ulit.
guys. Good night, guys.
Good night, guys. Bye!